Okay, we're out here on another winter's day. Really no wind at the moment. And Friendship is up ahead with his E-light. I'm using my E-light, getting out here a little ways. Just love sailing in the winter. We'll get some wind. Dan and Sarah are going to be here overnight at Marshall Beach. How lovely. Okay. Ghosting along. Scamp. Beautiful winter day. Sun's coming out now. Just lovely. Scamp will move in just the smallest amount of wind. It's pretty amazing, really. Full sail in a Scamp. About 10 knots of wind. Maybe a little more. She's looking really good. As she always does. Yeah, I'll get some whitecaps here. Attack. Okay. Now we're getting some sailing in. We had wind from the south earlier, and it was just almost nothing. And now our northers come up. It's about, I don't know, 1:30 afternoon, and the wind kicked up like it was supposed to. Indeed, now we got some sailing, which is what we came out here to do. Scamp is always performing like a champ. Oh yeah, gotta like it. Drive her around. There we go. Another sailing. Okay. Now we're sailing. Ahoy! Yeah, there you are. Yeah. I got a tank full of water in here. I sure do. Oh, of course. Absolutely. The editor is always kind. Ah, the race is on. Afternoon now. Fog's starting to roll in a little bit. Things picked up nicely. Friendship was a little overpowered there. They're going to go in and reef. We're headed for home. Nice run. Full sail. Doesn't get better than this.